In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message someone on Bumble. To get started, open the Bumble app on your mobile device and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile so you can access your matches and messages without any confusion. Once you're in, head over to the People or Discover tab. This is where you can browse through profiles and start finding people you may want to connect with. As you look through profiles, swipe through them and interact with the people you're interested in. Take a moment to actually read their profile details, because this can make it much easier to start a meaningful conversation later. If both you and another person show interest, Bumble will create a match for you. That match is what allows the conversation to begin. After you get a match, tap on the Chats tab to view your conversations. This is your messaging area where all of your current and past chats will appear. From there, select the match you want to talk to. Once you open the conversation, tap the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your message, write your message, then tap the send button to deliver it. If you're not sure what to say first, keep it simple and friendly. A greeting is always a good start. You can also mention something from their profile or bring up a shared interest. This helps your message feel more personal and shows that you paid attention, which can make a much better impression than sending something generic. As the conversation continues, reply to their messages and ask follow-up questions to keep things engaging. Good conversations usually feel balanced, so try to show interest in what they're saying while also sharing a little about yourself. Keeping the chat active and natural can make it easier to build a real connection. It's also a good idea to check your notifications regularly so you don't miss any replies from your matches. Responding in a reasonable amount of time helps keep the momentum going and shows that you're genuinely interested in the conversation. And that's it. Once you know where to find your matches, how to open a chat, and how to send a thoughtful first message, using Bumble becomes much more comfortable and straightforward. With a little attention and consistency, you'll be able to start better conversations and enjoy the app with more confidence.